Hello, welcome to Enots Engineering. I'm Alan. In today's video we take a visit to the North Yorkshire Moors Railway. It's a steam railway which runs between Whitby and Pickering. During the visit we'll be based at the station of Goathland, which is located in the centre of the North Yorkshire Moors and is an ideal place for walking and hiking. So let's go and see what we did.
The North Yorkshire Moors Railway runs from Whitby to Pickering, and right in the middle of the moors is the station of Goathland. Goathland Station became Hogsmeade Station in the first Harry Potter film and featured as Aidan's Field in the ITV programme Heartbeat. The station has a small shop and a two-room which is in a converted 1922 style goods shed. Inside, the tables and chairs are located in railway coaches which still sit on the original track. You can also see the crane which lifted the goods from the coaches. A few minutes walk up the hill from the station is the village of Goathland, which has a number of pubs, shops and a coffee bar. From the village you can take a walk and visit the Mallion Spout waterfall. Adjacent to the station is a camping coach. The North Yorkshire Moors Railway have a number of coaches and buildings located along the side of the railway which can be rented for holiday accommodation. The engines face a steep climb up to the station at Goathland. Gromont. Follow the path at the side of the railway and you'll end up at the George Stephenson Tunnel, built in 1835. Go through the tunnel and you'll find yourself at the engineering workshop. Here, many of the locomotives and diesel engines are restored and maintained. Newtondale Halt is the ideal place to explore the North Yorkshire Moors National Park, but be careful, there are dangers. This train is a special train pulling Pullman dining coaches travelling towards Pickering. It's struggling to get up the hill into Goathland station. There's been some rain and the tracks are wet. That's all I've got time for now, but there are still more stations and places to visit. If you'd like to find out more information, why not visit the website? Thanks for watching, and and we'll see you next time on Enots Engineering.